Hi, we're here in Hillstead again in Levon. This is Wylie ISD. Tax rate is 2.54 out here, and the HOA dues are $79. Today we're going to look at this plan, and it is a 1471C. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. The price of this one has been marked down, and it is at $410. And right now they have $40,000 in incentives. Let's go take a look. First thing you'll notice is this beautiful patio area that they did on this one. It's large enough to have a seating area out here. You've got a covered portion and you've got an open area. And then also one thing that they do standard in their homes is they have these gutters, and they all have drains that drain into the French drain so that your yard never becomes flooded. So look at this beautiful front door that they installed on this one. So on this spec house, they really upgraded. All of it is full hardwood floors. It's not LVN, it's full hardwood. And then they have these hexagon tiles inside of this half bath, right when you walk in the front door. And also they have an office with double doors, opening wide, which is nice. And in this spec house, if you'll notice the trim, they did this trim, and it's something that's an upgrade, but they did it in this spec house that's already included. And this price is including already a drop price. So they've already reduced the price of this house, but they're also giving that $40,000 incentive. And this is the laundry room, and it's an extended laundry room. So if you did want to have a refrigerator or something down here on the end, you could. But the incentive, the 2-car garage, the incentive, and it has, tankless water heater. But the incentive here, you are able to truly use this incentive, unlike a lot of builders that tie it to their lender and make you use their lender, where they end up bumping up the price of the closing costs and everything, and it gets eaten up in that. This you're able to use with whatever lender you want. You can use the incentive however you want, for upgrades, for closing costs, to buy down points, however you like. So that is huge. If you notice, that was a 5-burner oven, or cooktop, sorry, and then it has a nice sized pantry. This one does have a drawer for garbage cans. And the granite is stunning in this house, the light gray that they did, and it's exotic. And then they have very nice light fixtures. It is one cook oven and then microwave, but built in. Tons of light, which is very nice, and it's very bright. They've got tons of lighting as well. They've got a lot of inset lights. And then this does have a gas fireplace in the living room. We'll go back though to that. We're going to walk over here to these 2 bedrooms. So they're additional bedrooms, and they have very nice closet space in each of their guest bedrooms. They all are like little walk-in closets, and they also have built-ins in them. And this one has a bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms, tiled floors, and then tiled backsplash on the tub. It is a nice size sink. It's not double, but it is a nice size sink area. The secondary bedroom has a little built-in bookshelf. And if you'll notice, this is not standard, but they do have blinds in this spec house. So you're getting all these upgrades included, and they're reducing the price and still giving you the $40,000. Another nice size closet. Now we're going to go back towards the living area, get a better view of that. Tons of windows, very bright. There's a door to the back, but we're going to go into the master first. Master is a good size, and it does have a trade ceiling with a ceiling fan in here. We're going to head into the master bathroom. Has a separate shower, tiled floor. It's not just a pan, which is nice. Separate tub, big soaking tub for those long, tiresome nights when you need a nice soak. And they did a nice backsplash on that. And then double sink and a nice walk-in closet, and the lighting fixtures in here are very nice. There was a secondary closet in the master bedroom as well. So his or hers, so you don't have to share a closet. And now we're going to go and take a look at the backyard. It does have a little separate patio, and there is a gas hookup, so if you want to have a barbecue added later, it's already included. And then this is a 40-foot lot, but you can see the house sets on it nicely, and it still gives you a good sized backyard. Fully fenced, and they did do the metal poles, which is huge. It'll help that fence stay in place. And then they also have a standard tree in the backyard. All right, and we are just going to come right back through. And take one last look.